Very good morning to all the students. Welcome to online class. Today I'm going to discuss that designing of Turing machine for other problem. So this is actually yesterday I given within 1 minute. Okay. Now please try to carefully listen and respond. Okay. The question is here. The question is here L equal to A power n, B power n, and C power n. N is greater than equal to 1. Okay. So when you have taken this kind of strings here, okay. So when you are going to change that A with X, what is the state for that? A with X is what is the present state? Always Q naught. If you are there at Q naught, A can be replaced with X. Okay. Next, when B with Y can be replaced, which state is the present state?
Q1.
Q1. Next. When if we go for C with Z, then what is the state? What is the state?
Q2.
Cute. So now first A, first B, first C. Moving from the Q0 to Q1, input is A, X replaced. Then after that, these 2 A's, what you will do these 2 A's? Skip it. That means A replaced with A replaced with A, self loop for what? Q1 state. Next, for these 2 B's can get skipped. But you give the self loop for what?
Q2.
What?
Q2, sir.
Q2. Okay. Next, see here, other one, when you can give that, like this cannot be read further. Again, going to back. So here is that right move, here is that right move. After replacing C with Z, then apply the left move. In the left side, what are the symbols will be there before C's? What is this before C? What will be there?
Y.
See, before C's I am telling.
B, sir.
Number of B's. Before B's,
Yes.
what?
A.
Array. Once if you go like
Why, sir?
this,
Why?
this is the
Yeah.
thing will be there.
Number of Y's. Yeah.
Before C Z, before Z is B, before B is Y, before Y is S, before A is X. Understood na?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you. C before Z is what? B is before B is what? Y. Y before is A before is X. Next. After this, A with X. After this, what will be there? After X.
A, sir.
Yes. After S,
Wise.
Y's. After Y's,
B's.
B's. Next B with Y like that. After that, after B's,
Z.
Z. After Z,
Z. C.
C. That is immediate C. When if you replace this with Z, again come to back. Back means this side. Next, this is with Z. Before this position is what? Before this position is what? Before
So
this
Z, sir.
Z. Before Z is
B's.
B's. Before B's,
Wise.
Y's. Before Y,
A.
A before X. Is it clear now, everyone? All of you, everyone clear about this? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Please tell
sir.
me. Yes. Now carefully listen this design. Same thing I am taking A power n, B power n, C power. So first is what? Q naught. What is the input here? First input here? What is the first input here?
Yeah.
A can be replaced with X, right move. The next it is what? Q1.
Q1.
Is it clear now? From here, first year replaced. After first year, what will be there? After first year, what will be there?
Number of A's.
Number of years. So can you replace A with X again?
No, only one time.
Only one time. Then what you can do? All A's can be skipped with the loop. What is that? A with A, right move. So that means if you apply this, all A's can be skipped. Then only we can find the first B from the input. Next is what? Tell me.
Q2.
Now first A replace the number of A's next. First B will be. When first B will comes here, what you will do? Go to Q2. So then what happen here? B replaced with Y, right move. That means first B replaced. After that, what will be there?
Self loop B.
M.
B slash B.
So that
Right.
means number of B's will be there. Then what you can do? B replace with the right move. So why you want to apply here right move?
We have C still.
Because C is there. So for finding of a first C from here, then apply this loop. Next. Next is what is that? Go to Q3 state. What is the input here?
C.
C with what?
Z.
Z. Followed by which move?
Right.
Eh?
Left.
Left. Left. No,
Left.
sorry. Left, sir.
Left move. So then what happens? This first C replace with Z, come to back. So now C with Z here. So before the Z is what will be there?
B's.
B.
Beast.
That means all B's B replace with B left. Before B's what will be there?
Y's.
Y's. Then again Y can be skipped like this. Y replace with Y left move. Next before Y's?
Yes.
Yes. Then what can be? Y A replace with Y again left move. With this one what is the next input here?
X.
X. Then when X is input, then go to the Q naught state. What is that? X replace with X. Which move here? Either
Right.
left or right.
Right.
Huh?
Right,
Very
sir.
good. Right move. Next. First A replaced. First B replaced. First C replaced. And again come to the starting. Next apply the second ration. Second A replace with X. Right move. Now after So now is that after second A replace text, then what will be their inputs here? Yes. Next after that yes, what will be the input? Y. After that Y, B.
3.
After that B, Z and CC. So now here if Q not on A, replace with X, right move. Next input is what? Yes. Yes or no?
Sir, there will be
Come on.
another B and C, right?
No, first okay, leave it that. Just sake of example. You want to take like this. Okay, na? Leave it that. After X, what will be there? Yes. Now you can't replace this. When you can replace this? after second B, after second C. Then what you will do here? Skip, that means apply the same this one. After yes, what is the input? What is the input after yes? After number of ways, what is the input for Q1 state? Please tell me anyone. Secondary replaced and number of ways are skipped. Right more. Then after yes, what will be there?
Number of Y's.
Y's. Then give that self loop
Y
for
with
Q1.
Y. All right.
Y with Y. Right move. After skipping this, next B can be encountered as input for the Q1 state. Then Q1 on B, right move. Q1 on B, right move with the Y symbol, go to Y2. That means this second B also are replaced. Next, after second Y, then what will be there? Inputs
Number
after
of
Y's.
Z.
Number of
Z.
B's. Number of B's means what? You can apply this loop. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next,
After B, Z.
after B's, what will be the input?
Z, sir.
Z again, skip the Z here. Z with Z, right move. Then we can find the C. Next, Q2 on C is Z, left move, left move. So now left, before C, what is the input?
Z, sir. Z
So then you
replaces
can give
Z.
here, what is that? Z with Z, left
Left
move.
move.
Before Z, B, this is. Before Z, Y, this. Before Y is yes, this. Before yes, X, like this. Now understood this one? Emma. Now all are replaced with this step. I will write here X, X, Q naught, Y, Y, Z, Z. So this is the after second cycle, all after third cycle, after fourth cycle, you will get kind of these things. Next, Q naught on Y. Can you go in this way? Not possible. Then what you can do? Take separate. What is that? Y replaced with Y. Right move. That is, I'm taking Q4 state. Already we taken 3. Next. After Y, what will be there here? After Y, what will be there? After Y, first Y. Moving Q0 to Q4. Next. Y followed by how many number of Y's? Number of Y's. Y followed by right move. After Y's, Z's. Z replace with Z, again right move. After Z, blank symbols. Then apply here, blank with blank, right. Then you can write the Q5 is the final state. Please write down this, all of you. This is similar to every problem. Q naught and Y are for these two. What is that? A power and B power n, and A power and B power and C power n. Please write down this. Still have any doubts here? You can ask. Okay. Please write down. Yes, please. All are written. Karthik, are you written? Karthik,
Sir,
written?
writing, sir.
Okay. After finishing that, you tell me, I can go with another point. First and second problems are same, but extend the states. That's it. Allah written? If you understood these two problems, we can solve any kind of problem regarding Turing machines. Some problems having only right moves. Some problems having both moves, either left or right. So these are the two examples for the both moves. Yes, Allah written? Please tell me. Everyone is written. Another 2 points are there. Triveni, are you written? Are you there?
Sir, Triveni didn't join the class.
Huh?
She's not there, so she didn't join the class.
Okay, no problem. Shall I go to the next point, ma? Karthik?
Done, sir.
Okay, right. Write down next point. For the same problem only, transition table. Transition table. What are the states here? What are the inputs here? That is input table. Input symbols. What are the states? Can you tell anyone? Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Q5 is the final state. Can you tell what are the inputs here? What are the inputs here? A, B, C. Only
Block.
three inputs here.
Block, sir.
What?
Capital B block.
X also we have taken as input or not? Y
Yes.
also we taken input. Z also we taken input. After that we taken the blank. So here is that you see, this is the input or not? Q1 on Y, replace with Y. Next. Q3 on X, replace with X. Next here. Q2 on Z. After that we have taken Q4 on blank. So these are the different inputs can be taken. Okay. Allah. Okay. Allah written this. Okay. Now tell me. I think you have the diagram with you. Tell me here. What is the Q naught on A? What is Q naught on A? Q naught on A. So here that already we taken Q naught, Q naught on A. What is the Q naught on A? A replace with X, right more. Next it is Q1. Like that you write. So what is that? Yeah, tell me. Q naught on A. A with what? Replace with X. Right move. Next it is what? Q1. Is it clear everyone? Emma. Hello please. Tell me. All of you clear this.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Q naught on B. Any transition is there?
Null.
Then equip dash. Next. Q naught on C.
Null,
Q
sir.
naught on C. Null. Next. Q naught on X.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Next. Q naught on Y.
Q4.
See. Y replace with Y.
R.
Right move. Q4. Next. Q naught on Z. Q naught I'm asking. Q naught on Z. Anything is there? Nothing. Yes or no? Yes. Q naught on blank symbol? Check and tell me. Yes. Q naught on Z. See here. What is that? Q naught on A one transition? Q naught on Y only one transition. A and Y only inputs are taken for Y, for Q naught. So that's mean no Z for Q naught, no Y for Q naught, no B for Q naught, no Z for Q naught, no C for Q naught, no blank for Q naught. Is it clear? So then what you can take here? Blank only. That means no transition. Next, Q1 on A. Q1 on A transition. Please.
Sir, it is self, sir.
Self
A
means what? A replace with A.
with
Right. Next it is Q1. Is it clear now?
yes, sir.
Next, Q1 on B.
Hmm. Replace with Y. Right
Y.
move Q2.
Right move. What is the next state?
Q2, sir.
Q2. Next. Q1 on C.
Q1, nothing, sir.
Nothing. Q1 on X.
Nothing, sir.
Q1 on Y.
Replaced with Y. Right move Q1.
Very good. Q1 on Z.
Nothing, sir.
On blank.
No, sir. Nothing.
Nothing. Next. Q2 on A.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. On B.
Replaced with B. Right move Q2.
Very good. Next. On C.
Replaced with Z. Q3.
Yes.
Left move.
Q3. Left
Left
move.
move.
Next. On X.
Nothing, sir.
On Y.
Nothing, sir.
On Z.
Replaced with Z. Q2. Right move.
Q2. Right move. Next. On blank. Nothing.
Sir, Z. Right move and then Q2, sir. You're writing like that, no, sir.
Right, sir. Sorry.
I told wrong.
Tell me here. Gotcha. Here
Replace
also.
with Z.
1 minute. Right. Tell me here. First C. Tell me. Replace Z.
Left move
Left move.
Q3.
Q.
3, sir.
Next here.
Replace with Z. Right move Q2.
Q2. Next. Q3 on A.
Replace with A. Left move
Yes.
Q3.
Q3.
3.
Next on B.
B L Q3.
B L
Q3.
Q3. On C.
Nothing, sir.
On X.
X R Q naught.
Right move Q0. On Y.
Y L Q3.
Left Q3. Z.
Z L Q3.
Q3. On blank. Nothing.
Nothing, sir.
Next. Q4 on A. Nothing. On
Nothing.
B. On C. Nothing. On
Nothing.
X. Nothing. On Y.
Y right
Y.
Q4.
Right. Q4.
Q4.
On Z.
Z right Q4.
Right. Q4. On blank.
Blank right Q5.
Q5. Nothing.
Null, sir. All null.
So this is a transition table for that A power n, B power n, C power n Turing machine. Please write down this. Still not completed. One more step is there. Okay. Please write down this. I used the transition diagram and constructed this. Another one, accepting of string by Turing machine. That I will show in the form of instantaneous description only. All are written this?
Sir, no, sir. Please wait.
Please do it fast.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done. All are written? At least all of you got the concept of Turing machine? At least you respond, anyone? Please.
Yes, sir.
Only Shivani is responding. Others are not responding.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next. Now we understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Next, other one, others. Varun? Varun, are you understood this? Yes? Varun? Have any doubts in this? Yes. W2, Shivani, B Shivani? Can you respond?
Sir,
Understood this?
yes, sir.
Okay, you practice once. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All are written?